I just got this off-brand little Roomba thing, and I already love him so much, despite the fact that he keeps running into walls. And I need to give him a name. So I'm gonna go think about that and then come back and give him a name tag. I think he might have been stuck in the corner for several minutes. I just came up to check because I heard him die. The one issue is he really doesn't have that good of a battery life, even when I let him charge fully. So I'm just gonna plug him back in for now. Instead of a name tag, I'm gonna give my Roomba a mustache. This is on sticky wrapping paper. So I'm just gonna paint the front, and then I can peel off the back and just stick it to the Roomba very nicely. So my Roomba knockoff is from Digital Essentials. Robot vacuum cleaner with color changing LED. Anyway, so far, basically a positive review. I mean, I love him and he's adorable, but the battery life is terrible. So just keep that in mind if you want a cheap Roomba. This was like 40 bucks. And it's decent for 40 bucks. It just has, you know, very short battery life. I've decided to name him Wilford.